Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to track a location by phone number using Google Maps. This is actually done through the live location sharing feature, and the process is really simple. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. After that, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, from the menu, tap on Location Sharing. Once you're here, tap on New Share. Google Maps will now ask how long you want to share your live location. You can choose the duration you want. After that, then select your Messages app. Now, simply enter the phone number of the person you want and then tap on Next Share your live location with and send the message. Um, Once the other person opens the link from the message, it will automatically open inside Google Maps and they'll be able to see your real-time location. So yeah, that's how you can share and track live location by phone number on Google Maps. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Google Maps and smartphone tutorials. Thanks for watching.